video on my 1993 Honda Accord. It is a LX, and as you can see, the D4 light is blinking on the dash. It's literally an issue, I believe, between the 1990 and 93 Hondas. I was told that the computer of the vehicle is underneath the passenger seat. I have already replaced the main relay. So there's a lot of videos on here with people replacing the main relay. Okay, I have this 1993 Honda Accord and a lot of issues with the starting of the vehicle. The relay, it's a relay switch underneath the dashboard that controls the fuel pump and all of the, well, a lot of the other electrical stuff, whatever. So basically, so I had to replace one. It's right underneath here. Before you change the relay switch, literally, I'll show you. Disconnect the battery because that's the issue that I had. So disconnect these two battery cables right here, the negative and the positive. Then what you want to do is check this fuse here. This fuse, this 10 amp fuse, I fixed everything, put a new thermostat in, and this 10 amp fuse right here controls the fuel pump, and it blew and I couldn't start my vehicle because of it. So check that 10 amp fuse, because if that's blown, that's the only reason why your car won't start and you're spending all this extra money for freaking less than 1 cent fuse. So the the D4 is blinking. I can drive the car normally. What it's telling me is that there's an issue with the D4, with the drive for. It's like if you're riding a 10-speed bike and you start off in the really high or low gear, you can either go real fast or it's gonna be a lot of effort in order to take off. So when I start at the D4, it's like a 10-speed. It's a whole lot of effort to take off. Then when you drop it into 2, it's like when you're driving a new car and they have like a snow setting or something, the transmission of the car automatically adjusts itself to switches to the second gear or lower gear so that it'll have more control when it takes off. So that's all you're basically doing. And then with this car, I found that you switch it to D3, you can switch on the fly while you're driving. D2, go up to like 25 miles an hour, then switch it. D3, it's kind of like regular drive, but then D4 is overdrive, like when you're driving in the expressways and stuff like that. Sitting at a stoplight, turn green. All right, here we go. You can see how this takes off. It's a little sluggish, so that's how it lets me know that it's in a different gear, which is kind of cool because then I'm able to drive it here. I got about a mile left to go. Okay, I'm at TNS. I don't know why I can't say this. TNS transmission. Basically, I got my keys back. My vehicle is fixed.
Warren, yes. He left it in the car.
Oh, here you go. No problem. Cool.
And here's all the diagnostic charts that he went through. So here's the wiring schematic and how he solved this.
I appreciate. Oh my God, I appreciate this. Thank you.
All right.
Shit. Yeah, this is nice. This guy is really, he's showing me all of this stuff. So I'm just gonna be able to break this down. I'll add this documentation in with the information that I compiled together. So here is the actual part. said that there's a burnt resistor inside of there. Regardless of that, it needed a new computer. That's the bottom line.
How's it going?
And we fixed
It's
it.
right here. See that resistor is blown up?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's actually.
It looks like the capacitors might be leaking too. Starting to leak this like black residue down here.
What, 30-year-old car?
Yeah.
And that's that. You guys found out the problem.
Yeah.
And the same day that you got this in, you fixed it. I mean, like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So I appreciate everything. That's all I really wanted. I just wanted to add in a little tidbit of where I got the car fixed, and then that's it. I appreciate it. Yo, this thing, oh my God, this is shifting so nice. See that on the dash? Yeah, this place is really nice. Very, very nice people. All right, let's get up out of here. Okay. Oh my God, the transmission has so much more fire. Yep. Yes, sir.